For example, in Sahih Muslim, our Prophet ﷺ said that when Isa ibn Maryam will come down, your Imam shall be from amongst you. Wa imamu, scholars have understood this is a reference to the Mahdi, even though it's not explicit. In another hadith, also in Sahih Muslim, the Prophet ﷺ said, when Isa ibn Maryam comes down, he shall come down in the white minaret in Damascus. They say this is the Umayyad mosque, which was built after the hadith was mentioned. He's going to come down in the white minaret, and Salat al-Fajr adhan will have been given. The person will be leading or about to lead, and Isa ibn Maryam will come down. The person leading will say to Isa, you come. And Isa will say, no, this is for you, not for me. Now, there's no name given of the Mahdi, but our scholars say this is a reference to the Mahdi. Our scholars say this is a reference to the Mahdi. If this is the case, then we learn the Mahdi is going to be a person who is alive when Isa and Dajjal are both here, which means the very end of times.